What's up, you degenerates? We got more big news from Jasmy. Let's get right on into it, guys. Swift's having a fantastic night, by the way. Just wanted to throw that in there. Up 15.3%. Jasmy down 1.4%, up 70.4% on the week, 144% on the month, and 687% on the year. You'll love to see it, guys. Rank 66. $2.38 billion market cap, 489.74 million in volume, 4 cents 920. All right, so okay, so let's get into it here, guys. Just a brief look across the market. We had a great daily close, guys. I have a feeling we could turn around later tonight or tomorrow because we had good weekly closes. Let's go have a look at the Jasmy chart. First of all, we're on the daily. So right now, 4 cents 891, just sitting right here, guys, just sitting there inside of this little golden pocket. We go over to the weekly time frame. Look at that gorgeous weekly close, guys. Look at that, right at 5 cents, right? So we could wick down and touch this level on the weekly time frame. We could come back down, retest 4 cents 4 before coming back up on the weekly. Guys, that's perfectly healthy. It's perfectly healthy, especially after a candle this big, to come back down and test this 4 cent 4 level as support before continuing to the upside. We got to build some support on weekly time frames, guys, right? Can't just be up only all the time. So that would be fine even if we just wick down and then come back up. We don't have to close down here. We just have to confirm it as support, right? So that's what I'm looking for on the weekly for Jasmy. Now, the bears are a little butthurt right now because, yeah, that's right, Bitcoin closed above $100,000 for the first time in history, guys. First time in history. Not only on the daily, but on the weekly time frame, which we'll get to in a second. So bears are pushing us back down to 99,500 right now, but that doesn't worry me at all. Look at some of these candles where we wicked down really, really low and then ended up turning green. So this candle's got 24 hours to go before it closes, so I'm not concerned with it being red right now. We'll see where it's at tomorrow on the daily time frame for Bitcoin, but right now, push it down. I don't care. Over on the weekly time frame, look at that nice close for Bitcoin on the weekly, guys. Fantastic. Now, on the weekly, will we come down to the bottom of this range right here, back down to 98,600 to retest it on the weekly? Probably, yeah, that would be healthy as well. Put that in there as a higher low and then retest it as support, and then let's get back up, right? So that's kind of what I'm watching on the weekly time frame for Bitcoin. All right, so a couple of bullish things to get into, guys. I wanted to check in on someone else's analysis here. Phoenix says, all right, let's be real. Jasmy's catching its breath right now. You think this is a correction? You think this correction means it's over? Nah, fam. $1 is on the way, and it's coming in hot. Y'all ain't been ready. So he thinks we're going to $1 here. Absolutely fantastic. I hope he's right. I hope that he is right. It's good to see other people's perspectives too, guys, right? So we got big news, guys. Check this out. Binance added another 350 million more Jasmy to their portfolio today, guys. This is massive. Look at this. Look at this. 9 hours ago, boom. Big purchases of Jasmy, guys. You'll love to see it. You'll love to see it. So that's in the last few days. This week, that means that they've purchased what? That would be, what did they purchase last time? 800 million a few days ago? 8? Okay. So almost, I mean, so 1100, 1111, whatever. They purchased a lot of Jasmy in the last week, right? Yeah, so 1.15 million, 100 million, whatever. My brain's not working. They purchased a lot of Jasmy, 800 million and then 350 million, 1,150 million. There you go. So they have purchased a crap load. Now, what does this mean? Why is Binance purchasing so much Jasmy? I'm going to tell you why. Because The first week of every quarter, Binance evaluates the projects in the monitoring zone or innovation zone, right? Now, we know that Junction is supposed to launch before this month is over, their Jasmy's Layer 2 ecosystem. So I think we're about to see Junction launch, and then immediately, first week of January, we are going to see Jasmy removed from the monitoring zone. Finally. We're going to see what happens. We're going to see what effect this has. But guys, this could be a double whammy catalyst that sends Jasmy finally up to that 9 to 10 cent, possibly 12 cent level, guys. That's what I'm watching for. This is going to be big. I'm excited about it. I hope you guys are excited about it as well. And to top that off, we've seen multiple articles about Jasmy over the last couple of days over on Binance. And yes, here's another one, guys, over on Binance Square. Investing in Jasmy now is like buying NVIDIA stock before the AI boom. In the world of investing, the greatest return often comes from identifying groundbreaking technologies before they hit the mainstream. NVIDIA, the graphics processing unit GPU leader, was once a niche player in the gaming industry before its GPUs became the backbone of the artificial intelligence revolution. Today, Jasmy, a blockchain-based platform focused on data sovereignty and the Internet of Things, presents a similar opportunity, an emerging market that could redefine the digital economy. If you missed NVIDIA before the AI boom, Jasmy could be your second chance at the transformational investments. So the parallels. NVIDIA started as a gaming hardware company, primarily designing GPUs to enhance graphics performance. But the AI boom transformed NVIDIA's GPUs into essential tools for data processing, machine learning, and high-performance computing. What was once a niche technology became the foundation of a multi-billion-dollar industry. From self-driving cars to generative AI models like ChatGPT. Early investors who believed in NVIDIA's potential reaped astronomical gains. From 2016 to 2023, NVIDIA's stock soared over 7,000%, turning modest investments into life-changing wealth. Jasmy's opportunity. Jasmy is positioned as the intersection of blockchain, IoT, and data ownership. Much like NVIDIA's capitalization on AI, Jasmy aims to transform industries by solving critical problems in data security, IoT device interoperability, and decentralized data management. The core focus, while NVIDIA's GPUs became essential for AI, Jasmy is creating a blockchain infrastructure that allows individuals and businesses to take ownership of their data securely, share it, and monetize it. Emerging markets. As IoT adoption accelerates, projected to exceed 75 billion devices by 2025, the need for secure decentralized data systems is growing exponentially, an area where Jasmy is uniquely positioned to lead. Why Jasmy could be the next NVIDIA. Explosive growth potential. The AI boom catapulted NVIDIA into the limelight, but the IoT boom combined with growing data privacy concerns could have a similar effect on Jasmy. IoT market expansion. The global IoT market is projected to reach $1.1 trillion by 2030. Each IoT device generates massive amounts of data, which must be stored, managed, and secured. Jasmy's blockchain platform solves this problem, positioning it as a key player in the rapidly growing industry. Decentralized data ownership. Governments and corporations are increasingly prioritizing data sovereignty and privacy, creating demand for solutions like Jasmy's Data Locker and Marketplace. First mover advantage. NVIDIA dominated the GPU market because it innovated early in AI infrastructure. Similarly, Jasmy is one of the first blockchain projects focused on IoT and data sovereignty. While many cryptocurrencies target general financial use cases, Jasmy's niche in IoT data management sets it apart as an essential layer of Web 3.0 infrastructure. Regulatory tailwinds. Global data privacy laws, regulations like GDPR and Japan's Personal Identification Protection Act align with Jasmy's focus on empowering individuals to control their data. As data protection becomes a global priority, Jasmy's infrastructure could become essential for compliance in IoT ecosystems, partnerships, and industry giants. NVIDIA's partnerships with AI leaders to dominate the AI industry, and Jasmy is following in a similar path. Strategic partnerships. Jasmy has already collaborated with Sony, major Japanese corporations, the universities, showcasing its real-world application and growing adoption. These partnerships hint at a future where Jasmy's technology underpins smart cities, IoT-enabled industries, and decentralized applications. Undervalued market cap. Before the AI boom, NVIDIA's valuation didn't reflect its future potential. Similarly, Jasmy's current market cap is a fraction of its total addressable market. As more IoT devices come online and the demand for data privacy grows, Jasmy's intrinsic value could skyrocket. The catalyst for Jasmy's growth, the IoT revolution. With billions of devices expected to connect to the internet in the coming years, securing, managing, and monetizing data will become critical. Jasmy's blockchain is built to solve these challenges, offering decentralized solutions where centralized ones fail. Data ownership movement. Data ownership is becoming a human right, with consumers growing more aware of how companies monetize their data. Jasmy provides an alternative, a system where users control their data, share it securely, and even monetize it on their own terms. Web 3.0 adoption. Just as AI transformed the tech industry, Web 3.0 is set to revolutionize the internet. Jasmy, as a foundational layer of decentralized data management, could emerge as one of the leaders in this digital economy. Investing in Jasmy today, high risk, high reward. The NVIDIA, like NVIDIA, during the pre-IA days, AI days, did I say IA? AI days, Jasmy represents an asymmetric investment opportunity. Downside risk. As with any emerging technology, Jasmy faces challenges such as market adoption and competition. Upside potential. If Jasmy succeeds in becoming the go-to blockchain for IoT and data sovereignty, the returns could rival or surpass NVIDIA's historic growth during the AI boom. In conclusion, the time to act is now. In hindsight, the AI boom made NVIDIA's dominance seem inevitable, but early investors faced skepticism and uncertainty. Jasmy is at a similar crossroads today, with its focus on IoT and data sovereignty aligning with massive global trends. For those who see the parallels and believe in Jasmy's vision, this could be the opportunity to get in before the world recognizes its potential, just like buying NVIDIA before the AI boom. As always, with great risk comes great reward. If you're bullish on the future of IoT and data sovereignty, Jasmy could be your next big win. There you have it, guys. There you have it. I agree wholeheartedly with this video, and I have a piggyback video about how I'm viewing not only Jasmy as a project, but a handful of other projects in terms of long-term growth. And I will be uploading that video over on the Patreon shortly today. So keep your eye out for that if you're over on the Patreon. If you want my input on it, guys, make sure you get over there. The link is in the description. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. Schedule your one-on-one coaching sessions with me over on the Patreon as well, guys. If you've never been through an altcoin season before, there is no shame in having your hand held through an altcoin season by a community of people who have been through multiple altcoin seasons, if it means making life-changing wealth for you and your family. The altcoin season, the euphoria can get crazy, guys, and it's hard to know who to listen to, when you should be selling, whether you're selling too soon or selling too late. Many people have these concerns. We are there as a community to put these fires out for you by helping you create an exit strategy and a profit-taking plan that's going to make sure you make life-changing wealth for yourself and not leaving this market in the red. There's a reason that 90% of people in crypto walk away either even or in the red, losing money in crypto. There's a lot of misinformation out there, a lot of big content creators looking to mislead you so that they can make money. Okay, so get over to the Patreon, join our community, schedule one-on-one coaching sessions with me, join our group Zoom calls that we do every single evening where we talk about all of these deep discussions, exit strategies, profit taking, how to exit the market, even plans on what to do with profits outside of crypto through the bear market, how to keep your money safe, how to be proactive with your bank so they don't freeze your assets when you move 6 figures from your account, from your crypto account over to your bank account, right? These things can trigger red flags. If you've never been through this stuff before, guys, you can get into a big web of BS that is just a headache to deal with. So we can help you deal with these things. Again, the link to the Patreon is down in the description. Click like if you like this video, click subscribe if you really liked it, and I will see you guys in the next one.